Well, before we talk about that weather picture, an earthquake shakes Clinton County in southwestern Illinois. The U.S. Geological Survey reports that the 2.8 Richter scale quake was detected Thursday evening a little bit north of a town called Germantown, population 1,300, and that is in Clinton County. Geologists say that the earthquake happened at a depth of 14 miles, that's a long way down, along the New Madrid seismic zone. Meanwhile, a magnitude 3.6 quake rattled northern Illinois and parts of 3 other states only this past November. And now to our weather picture. Satellite radar shows us that those clouds are moving through, and that's going to result in the humidity rising over east central Illinois. As we look a little closer to home, you see what looks like rainfall. Now, some may be experiencing some raindrops. Others, though, even in portions where the color green is rolling across, normally indicative of rain, well, the ground is very warm. We had some nice warm temperatures today, so a lot of that moisture will disintegrate before it hits the ground. Futurecast for tonight is going to show us, again, those clouds moving in and then moving out a little bit. And after midnight, we're going to see some pockets of possible precipitation. Now, the only portion of the viewing area where I'm reasonably confident they are going to have some rainfall is along the Illinois-Indiana border. It looks like some definite rain there, possibly very small amounts, I would say 1/10 of an inch of rain at the very most, and then clearing toward morning. So overnight, our forecast, low temperatures near 57. The reason the temperatures are staying up, that humidity, those clouds, humidity for all, rain possible for some along the border, as we indicated. Winds, those winds are going to be shifting and will be coming primarily from the south overnight into the next couple of days. Futurecast for tomorrow. Now, this will sound like a wishy-washy weather forecast, but look, it's proven by the screen. Clouds in, clouds out, times of sun, times of clouds. You'll see a little bit of sunshine tomorrow, but you won't see any rain. We don't think any rain is coming. Let's take a look at your day part forecast. We're starting out rather warm overnight, and then partly sunny with a high of around 73 by mid to late afternoon. Even towards sunset, we'll still be fairly close to 70. Let's move ahead to Sunday. And of course, one of the most important things about Sunday for some of you, sunrise services. So officially timing that out, 6:37 here in Charleston for sunrise, sunset at 7:17. That gives us, if you're doing the math, and I did, 12 hours and 40 minutes of daylight. Our days continued to grow longer. Now again, clouds in, clouds out. This is for Sunday. The forecast says Saturday. Just ignore this line here. Some goofy guy left that up there. But this is Sunday, and you've got some pockets of sunshine. Pocket full of sunshine, nice song. But then towards Sunday evening, hopefully after the Easter egg hunt is over, after you're done doing the things that you would do outside, that's when we have the possibility of severe weather. And as you can see here, some of this is overhead, sort of, over my head anyway on this photo, on this graphic, and that is moving to the east. But we do have some possibilities of some intense rainfall, some possible thunderstorms, and the Storm Prediction Center says we have a marginal risk for severe weather. 73 for your high Saturday, 72 on Sunday, and again, that possibility of severe weather. We'll be back with more a little bit later in this newscast. Now back to the anchor desk.